Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night you guys. Oh jeez, I just finished working out. Hello.
It's raining.
Yes it is. Say good morning faves.
It's raining.
Yeah, say good morning faves.
It's raining.
Tell faves good morning.
It's raining.
Yeah, tell them it's morning. It's raining faves.
It's raining.
Tell them good morning.
Good morning.
Look at chocolate on your nose, wait. You guys, you give what you doing? You showed them in your mouth, yo. Alright, get out of the kitchen, mama soon come. Go watch TV. You guys, oh, let me try and get up. Damn, I'm getting old.
Mama.
Yes?
Juicy.
That's all you ask for, juice? Mama is going to make it. Mama gonna make it. Get out of the kitchen. I'm going to make the juice for you right now, okay? You guys, good morning. You guys, how are you all doing? I just finished working out and look outside and it is raining like cray. It's raining. I can't believe it's raining, but the day have to go on. I have to still get well on my way. It's Monday, which means I am going to work until I have to go to daycare today. So I'm gonna have to go out in all this rain. We just gotta do what we gotta do. Anyways, I just finished working out, so I'm going to go ahead and make some green juice. Already here Tyler asking for it, and then I'm going to jump right in and cook because I have to get everything done, put Tyler down for a nap, head out to daycare and go to work and stuff like that. And baby's already long after work. I don't know if he vlogged this morning, but if not, you guys will see him later. So yeah, that's what's up right now. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, whatever time of the day that you guys are watching this vlog, and whatever it is that you're doing today, have fun doing it, stay positive about it, stay blessed about it, and I'm sure you'll have a good day. As for me, you guys know when I start my day with workout, my day is gonna be good. And you see Tyler is around here gallivanting and just chilling and waiting on his green juice. So I'm gonna make that and leave you guys to see a little snippet of what workout I did this morning. So enjoy that and I'll catch you guys in a bit. I have to be on my P's and Q's this morning and getting everything ready. I have the oven on and just making dinner right away this morning because I have to head out early. If you guys can see outside right now, but this rain ain't about to ease up no time soon. Like literally it's just pouring down. Oh boy. Anyway, you guys, I just finished getting fresh, get my hair done and thrown a little eyebrow. No foundation, no nothing. I just did my eyebrow and my under eye, and that's about it. I finished cooking, which is good. So let me show you guys what dinner is going to be tonight. What's the final product? So I have quinoa, which is here, finished cooking, and I have green beans here, which is done, and the fish is also done. I haven't even opened it yet to look at it, so let's do that to see what fish is looking like. Okay, you guys, so let's peek on the fish. So So that's a fish right there. So that's that for dinner. And I made some pasta over here for Tyler lunch, and he's gonna have that with some sausage. So I am well on my way. I'm on time. Everything is done. All I need to do now is tidy up this house, give it a sweep, give Tyler lunch, give him a bath, put him down for a nap, make my lunch. I still have a lot to do before I head out. So let me stop rambling and go and tidy up this house. So Lego. Look at my mini watching TV. Hey, why are you sitting there? Don't sit in front of the TV, pumpkin. You're watching Blaze? And I have these laundry to go and take up right now.
Mama?
Yes, Ty?
Yes, it's scratching.
Blaze is scratching.
Yes, it's scratching.
Tell Faves what you're watching.
I'm watching Blaze.
He's watching Blaze. That's the name of this cartoon.
Mama?
Yes. You're excited to go to school today? You know you're going to school today?
Yes.
You're excited?
No, I'm going to Antigen.
No, you're not going to Antigen. You're going to school.
I'm going to Antigen.
No, you're going to school.
I'm going to Antigen.
Antigen is gone on the plane, remember?
Yes, I'm going.
Listen, you guys, he haven't seen Jen in a while because Jen is traveling from last month, and all of this month she'll be away. Right now she's out of the country, and he's just missing her so much. Every day he wakes up, he's asking for Antigen, even though he talked to her on the phone. When we drive past our house, when we drove past our house, he said, "Mama, this way, this way." He even know where Jen lives, so he misses his Antigen. But Jen will be back next month, so he'll be able to see her. Anyway, you guys, let's get busy. The rain stopped and the sun is out. Now we reached town and there's so many police on the street. I don't know what's going on, why so much police is out here, but I guess it's just safety or something is going on. I don't know what's happening, but I'm seeing so many police. The tram passing.
Yes, I'm running so far. They attack me just to find a better way to fight. They say they jump and funny people.
Dance, dance, baby, dance. Go. Alright. I think the police are just out here for safety because a few days ago there was a stabbing in Paris of a crazy person. So I'm not even sure if it was a terrorist attack or it was just a crazy person, but there was a stabbing, so I guess it's just precaution. He's gone after the bird. Look, see another one down there. Allez. Bonjour. Bonjour. Tala di bonjour.
Hi guys, and good evening. Yes, it's the evening and I'm back from work. It's it was a raining day, but I just see the light. Look how pretty it is. I just love when it's I'm gonna say dark, cause the camera looks good, but the sky is very dark, and you know you have the sun that is just between the cloud and make the walls so lighting and so pretty. So yeah, we home, the whole family is home. Tara is here, baby's back from work too. So yeah, it's almost 8. It has been a good day. I'm not gonna say it has been a long day, but it's always like this. Hope you all having a wonderful day. It always feel hard, I'm gonna say, when you're on vacation and you just go back to work. That's even if it's just a week of vacation like what I had, the morning when the clock ring, oh, hard. Ça va?
Ça va?
Tu dis bonjour?
Bonjour.
Qu'est-ce que tu as fait aujourd'hui?
Je mange fromage avec un beurre.
Tu as mangé du fromage avec du beurre?
Oui.
C'est
avec
vrai?
un pain.
Avec du pain?
Oui.
C'était bon?
Oui. C'est bon.
Oui? Guys, so I'm just gonna chill here, enjoying the last moment of the day with the family. It's always good to have some family time. That's the priority. I mean, when you come back from work, and yeah, enjoy your family, even if it's just for 30 minutes, or yeah, just spend as much time as you can with your family. They will always be there for you, and it's just, yeah, especially when you have kids, they're growing so fast. You don't see them most of the day, they're growing so fast. So even if you have 20 minutes only, spend it with your kids. So I'm going to spend it with Tyler. Dis au revoir à la caméra. Bye bye.
Bye.
Regarde la caméra.
Tyler, look. Say bye bye, Faith.
Bye, friend.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, I've been back home from work and help put Tyler to bed and been here watching Empire. We finally start watching Empire, and it's okay so far. Not my kind of series, but I'm enjoying it. It's something a little bit different.
I was very excited after the first
two episodes,
but then the others makes
it looks like it's gonna drag out.
Yeah, it looks too much
dragged out,
like expected. I like when you watch something and you, like you say, you're surprised.
I think I might stop watching it. I'm not sure.
You just keep catching.
Yeah.
And this one is just, it is good. The music's good, but it's just too much. It's not up and down. It just.
I might stop watching it, but I'm going to continue and see. Comment down below, you guys, and tell me if I should continue to watch Empire or I should.
Yeah, because we have.
I might stop watching it. But we're gonna give you guys the expressions for today.
And we're gonna start with a French expression tonight.
Okay, all right. I see you, boo.
The French expression for tonight will be être mauvaise langue. Être mauvaise langue is to be bad tongue. That's the translation. Simply mean like to say bad things about something. Like for example, if I say she's a bad tongue, mean she always talking badly about something. She's always understand.
Être mauvaise langue.
Right.
All right, and I'm going to give the Jamaican expression falling off that, and it's going to be no bad mouth me. If somebody say, why you bad mouth me for? Simple means you're talking crap about me, you're talking bad about me. you're talking, you're saying something or wishing something bad
Okay.
to happen to me, just like what you said.
Okay.
So you say it.
Why you bad mad me for?
Yes, so yeah, bad mouth me fa.
Bad mouth me for?
Yeah. Alright, you guys. So there you guys have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you got it.
Yes. Alright, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys. And turn on your notifications. Babe about to drop y'all. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Uses.